So, Ellen,
Yes.
I'd like to ask you, you've been using ProvidaPet on the dogs,
Yes.
and I'd like to get...
3 weeks now?
Yeah, I believe
I
so.
think about 3 weeks.
And can we get your opinion on how you feel it's helping the animals?
Well, there's one thing positively for sure. I see that they don't get what we call shelter shock.
Okay.
Meaning that 2 days after coming in, usually, they don't want to eat, they don't know where they are, they're stressed. I find it's really helping for that.
All right.
We haven't had any shelter shock since I've seen it, so since I've started the product. So I think that's great. Dogs are doing very well. If it's mixed up properly, they eat very well with it. Some of them aren't sure of the how do you say, the texture if it's not mixed properly.
All
But
right.
it's very, like I said, so far I really can't see anything negative about it. Everybody's doing great. I find there's less kennel cough. I find there's less, like I say,
Aches and pains?
aches and pains. We don't have very many old dogs right now, so in that case, I would say, you know, just bobos in general, there's less.